In the heart of mineral-rich southern Africa, mining companies have several options to get their cargo to port. Eastward to Dar es Salaam, Beira, or Durban on the Indian Ocean, taking up to 3 weeks. Or they can now go west, through Angola to the Atlantic port of Lobito. This rebuilt railway, stretching more than 1,300 kilometers, has cut the travel time to a matter of days instead of weeks. In this edition of Business Angola, we explore the potential for investment thanks to the reconstruction of one of the African continent's most historic railways, the Lobito corridor. This shipment of copper has just come from across the border in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Next to it are empty carriages waiting to be towed back. We travel right up to the border and wait for the next locomotive to pick them up. Just over this border is Katanga province. It's rich in minerals, including the lion's share of the world's cobalt. That's one of those rare earths you find in your mobile phones. The railway was originally built by Scottish mining engineer and explorer Sir Robert Williams, who discovered huge copper deposits in Katanga province. Under a 99-year concession, the railway was completed in 1929. The railway reverted back to Angola in 2001, and a Chinese company rebuilt it at a cost of 2.3 billion euros. Inaugurated in 2015, it uses General Electric locomotives and Chinese rail cars. The head of the railroad says they plan to extend the line to mineral-rich Zambia as well.
We currently have 2 trains every 15 days, and we are looking to have 3 to 4 or even 5 trains a day.
Mr. Teixeira, what is the potential, the economic potential of this railroad?
The sectors that could benefit from the Benguela railway line are agriculture, industry, construction, and the creation of new companies.
In the capital, Luanda, that's why the logistics company Early Green is rubbing its hands together about the newer, faster Lobito corridor.
Can win a lot of time using Lobito corridor. We are very near to the most important mines in RDC. So it's just cross the border. It's very, very easy.
The railroad is supporting business in both directions, large and small. Here, a shipment of sulfur being loaded on rail cars in the port of Lobito, headed for the Democratic Republic of Congo. There's also potential for larger shipments from southern Africa, with a mineral terminal in the port. Angolans are benefiting too. Here in Benguela province, which includes Lobito, and in the border region, it's a popular route for traders and travelers. John Schubert is an anthropologist who's researched in Angola for years.
Into the sort of the remote eastern parts of the country, where up until now there was no road, and the railway has really replaced that, allowing people to sort of bring in their agricultural produce, sell it on the train in neighboring municipalities, neighboring provinces. The potential is really enormous here. If you had a transformative industry or agro-industry, they'd be able to use that to then bring their produce to the cities, to the coast, and even export it.
Developing Angola and beyond, powered by a railway with new opportunities, part of what Business Angola is all about. That's all for now on Business Angola. From all of us here on the Euronews team, we say obrigado, thanks for watching, and see you next time.